kuti mambo anosimuka paanenge ari kutaura zvaanoda kuna paramount chief isine padani. Tiri kunzwa tese madzishe, tiri kunzwa tese, tiri tese here. Zviya zvinoitwa nevanenge vamwa mutoriro zviya. In this country it is never done. We have one monotapa, we have one leader. And it is that leader we give our respect. It is that leader. We show the entire nation what respect is all about. So what has been done by Chief Murinye is going to be investigated by the minister responsible for the local government and the president of the Chiefs Council and his deputy and the council, and he found guilty. Then the appropriate disciplinary actions will be taken. This is the Republic of Zimbabwe. Azvitwe zvinhu zvakazungaira kudaro. Tiri tese madzimambo, tiri tese. Ndakazvitwa sei? Ushe hunopuhwa, ushe hunobviswa futi. You only rule at the mess of the great Monomtapa. So from here, 2021, tochera zvikomba mutara wamutoti hazviitwi. And we must do all this. I thought I must thank my great Monomtapa. I respect him. No one touches him as long as I live. I thank you.